Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a proxy for use with Chat GPT. As Chat GPT continues to grow in popularity, using a proxy is a smart way to keep your interactions anonymous and secure. Let's get started with the setup process. Unfortunately, Chat GPT does not support direct proxy settings. However, since it is accessed via a browser, you can use a proxy by configuring it for your entire operating system. Here is how you can do it on Windows 10. Click on the Start menu, then navigate to Settings and select Network and Internet. In the menu that appears, click on Proxy at the bottom. Activate the Use a Proxy Server option. This action will enable the fields for entering your proxy details. Input the IP and port of your proxy. Once all details are set, click Save. If you are using a personal proxy, a login window will appear when you access programs that require an internet connection. Just enter your proxy username and password there. The second method to use a proxy with ChatGPT involves using the Proxifier program, which allows you to proxy any browser you can use to access ChatGPT. Here's how to set it up using Chrome as an example. But these steps apply to other browsers as well. Launch the Proxifier and navigate to the Profiles tab at the top. Choose Proxy Servers and click Add to input your proxy details. Fill in the IP and port of your proxy in the Address and Port fields. Select the appropriate protocol in the Protocol section. If it's a private proxy, enable authentication and provide your login details. For a free proxy, no further information is necessary. Next, test the functionality of the proxy by clicking Check. If the indicator turns green, your proxy is functional. If it turns red, you'll need to try another proxy. After confirming the proxy works, click OK and then Yes to finalize the settings. To bind the proxy to your browser such as Chrome, return to the Profiles tab in Proxifier and select Proxification Rules. Create a new rule, name it, and in the Applications section find and select the Chrome executable file on your computer. Set the action to use the configured proxy and confirm by clicking OK. Now, any activity on ChatGPT through Chrome will route through your proxy, ensuring your sessions are private and secure. The third method for using a proxy with ChatGPT involves various browser extensions designed for proxy management. These extensions can be particularly handy, and I've covered them in detail in individual reviews on this channel. For your convenience, I'll include links to these reviews in the video description, so you can explore extensions that allow proxy use in different browsers. The choice of which method to use depends entirely on your preferences and needs. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.